In this video, we are going to see how to create a trend line, which is basically a line which shows you the trends in the data which is available with us. Like if we want to understand the trend of the revenues for the products, laptops and smartphones, from looking at the numbers for 2022 to 2024, we will not be able to understand the trend in the data. So what we will have to do is we will need to select this data, go to insert. First we will need to insert a chart. So let us insert a column or bar chart. The first one is okay, that is a clustered column. Now in this you can see there are three lines coming, blue one is also there. So what we have to do is we will need to click on select source data, and here we don't need the products line, so we will remove it, and in place of 1 2 3 4 5 we'll edit that and select 2020 till 2024. Now the data looks okay. We can remove this chart title as of now, or if you want you can add in this data the chart title also. Now you can see that the orange colored bar are basically the laptops and the gray colored ones are the smartphones. Now we want to understand how the data is changing over a period of time, which basically means we want to understand the trend. So what we need to do is add the simplest solution to do that is to add a trend line to this chart. Now for that what we need to do is first select the chart. So that will start showing these three symbols at the corner, right hand side upper part. So click on the plus symbol, which is basically the chart elements. When we click on it, it will open the chart elements which can be added. See, if you see, the last one is the trend line. Click on the side arrow. The different types of trend lines could be made. So for our case, we are doing a linear one. So click on linear, and it will open up a window where it will ask for which series, whether laptops or smartphones, you want to do it. So initially we will do for the laptops, and then we will do the same for the smartphones also. So again, plus sign, trend line, click linear, it will ask smartphones. Okay, so you can see the two trend lines have been made, but they are not clearly visible. So what we can do is we can select them and then go to format, and in the format, in shape styles, go to shape outline and click on weight and take a higher weight like 3 point. Similarly, select the orange trend line, go to shape outline, and here also make the shape as 3. So from this what you see is basically the orange colored line is almost flat, which basically means over the years whatever increase or decrease is happening over the years, the growth in the laptops is almost same. There is no change as such. Whereas if you see the smartphones, the trend line shows that it is increasing with time. So this basically shows you how to make a trend out of the data which is given. By looking at these numbers for laptops, we won't be able to decipher what the trend is there. Whereas for smartphones also the same thing will be happening. So what is better idea is to make a chart out of it, make a chart out of the data which is there, and then add a trend line. For adding trend line, go to select the chart, go to the plus element. There, last one is trend line and attach trend line. Now if you want to go to chart elements, there is another way. You select the chart area. In the chart design, you can see add chart element. Here if you click, you will see trend line. So this is another way to have a same thing for the creating a trend. I hope this video is clear to you. Thank you.